Welcome to this explainer. You know, it's wild to think about, but the average professional loses over 2 hours every single day just trying to track down information across emails, documents, and messy data. If you've been feeling entirely overwhelmed by that daily avalanche, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're exploring what might just be the ultimate superpowered sidekick to combat your daily information overload, Google's Gemini. We're going to unpack exactly what this technology is, how it works, and how you can start using it right now to reclaim your time.
Here's a quick look at our roadmap for today. First, we'll meet Google's multimodal AI. Then, we'll dive into what Gemini can actually do, followed by a look at the Gemini Advantage. After that, we'll do a quick reality check on its limitations, and finally, show you how to start using it today.
All right, let's jump right into part 1, meeting Google's multimodal AI.
To really get what makes Gemini tick, we got to talk about multimodal AI. So what does that actually mean? Basically, it's a state-of-the-art model that's built to understand, operate across, and seamlessly combine text, code, images, audio, and video. And the absolute key word here, simultaneously. See, older AI was kind of like a super smart text-only calculator, but Gemini, it's a totally different beast. It can literally look at a complicated architectural diagram, listen to an audio briefing, and read raw source code, all at the exact same time. Being able to see, hear, and read all at once makes it one of the most versatile assistants out there.
Moving right along to part 2, what can Gemini actually do?
First up, content creation. When it comes to the written word, Gemini is an absolute powerhouse. And we're not just talking about drafting a quick email to your boss. We're talking about generating heavy-duty technical documentation, whipping up highly engaging marketing copy tailored to a specific audience, or even drafting full-blown strategic business proposals. It's basically like completely outsourcing your writer's block.
But here's the kicker. It doesn't just speak English. It speaks machine. For coding and programming, Gemini is ridiculously fluent. It can seamlessly write brand new code, debug those nightmare errors in your existing scripts, and even translate complex logic between languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++. Honestly, it's exactly like having a senior developer sitting right next to you, ready to explain complex functions on the fly.
Next on the list is problem solving. If we step away from the keyboard for a second and look at the physical world, Gemini can instantly tackle intense mathematical, scientific, and logical problems. Imagine trying to optimize a highly complex supply chain matrix. Gemini can map that out in a matter of seconds. It doesn't just take a wild guess. It actually reasons through structural challenges to give you calculated, highly efficient solutions.
So how does all this translate to the real world? Well, let's look at a couple of core applications. For data analysis, you can literally feed a massive, dense research paper into the chat and just tell it to extract the 3 main takeaways. Boom, hours of reading saved. Or, for multimodal tasks, you could upload a picture of a really complex financial chart and just ask, hey, what's the trend here? It analyzes the image and gives you the answer. It effortlessly bridges that gap between raw, messy data and actual, actionable knowledge.
Okay, let's head into part 3, the Gemini Advantage. Now here is the secret sauce. Gemini is what we call natively multimodal. That means it was built from the ground up, right from day one, to combine text, video, and audio. Think of it like a beautifully woven tapestry. Older AI models, they try to achieve multimodality by stitching separate, isolated models together. You know, gluing a text model to an image model. It ends up feeling like a clunky, disconnected patchwork quilt. Because Gemini is natively woven together, the way it understands how an image relates to a piece of text is incredibly fluid and natural.
And this native build is totally supercharged by the broader Google ecosystem. First off, you get blazing speed thanks to Google's massive infrastructure. Second, you're getting real-time info. Unlike those isolated AI models stuck in the past, Gemini is directly integrated with Google Search, meaning it actually knows what happened in the world this morning. Plus, there's broad accessibility. You can pull it up on web browsers, mobile apps, or through developer APIs.
But wait, I want to pause on one specific feature for a second, the massive context window. Certain versions, like Gemini 1.5 Pro, have a context window so unbelievably large that it can process huge amounts of data all at once. To put that into perspective for you, it's roughly equivalent to dropping the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy into the chat box in a single go. It digests the whole thing in seconds, and then it's ready to answer some highly specific question you have about Chapter 12 of the novel or minute 43 of a video. It's wild.
Which brings us to part 4, limitations and a quick reality check.
Look, As amazing as it is, this technology is definitely not flawless, and understanding its constraints is absolutely crucial. Just like all large language models, Gemini is prone to hallucinations. That means it can, and occasionally will, generate incorrect, misleading, or completely fabricated information, and it will present it to you with total confidence, like it's a hard fact. We also have to keep privacy in mind. Depending on your settings, your interactions might be processed or reviewed by the system. It also heavily depends on the internet to leverage its full search power, and it can sometimes struggle to accurately grasp highly niche, localized contexts that aren't widely documented online.
So it really all boils down to this one simple, vital phrase: you are the pilot. Because of those data privacy considerations and the very real potential for errors we just talked about, you can't just fall asleep at the wheel here. You have to remain actively in control, fact-checking the outputs and deciding how to responsibly apply the AI suggestions to your actual work in life. Gemini is a fantastic co-pilot, but at the end of the day, you are the one flying the plane.
All right, let's wrap things up with part 5, how to start using Gemini today.
The barrier to entry here is incredibly low. Let's walk through 5 super simple steps. 1. Just access the platform by heading to gemini.google.com or downloading the mobile app. 2. Sign in with your existing Google account. 3. Enter your prompt right there in the chat box at the bottom. Try something fun like explain quantum computing simply to a 5-year-old. 4. And this is where the magic happens, attach media. Click that little plus icon and upload a photo, a document, or a spreadsheet to instantly give the AI that powerful multimodal context. And 5. Review and refine. Read through the output, ask follow-up questions, and tweak the tone until it's exactly what you need.
So, you are now fully equipped to take this technology and apply it immediately to your own daily workflows. I'm going to leave you with this final thought. With a digital sidekick sitting right in front of you, one that can instantly read entire books, analyze complex charts, and write code completely from scratch, what will you ask it to build first?